Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial while I wait for my plane at the airport and I want to complete this task. So basically we're going to be looking at the topics at the top of our landing page. Very important for us if we want to make any changes to click on the edit mode so that we can then make the relative changes. Now you can see that there's an extra plus over here, and that means that I can add another topic. For this task, I have already added all the different topics for my course, but for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to add another one to show you how to do it. If we click on the plus, we get a new section and we can actually add the kind of content that we want. We click on the plus, then we can add activities. And in this topic 1, you can see that it has become topic the second tab after the course overview. I'm going to add an activity or resource. You can see that there are some recommended activities, but if I want to see all of them, then I can choose different activities. For this demonstration, I'm going to add a forum, and I'm going to give it a name, forum for video. And you need to add a description. In this forum, you will have the chance to ask questions, ask random questions related to the course and teaching in general. You can decide whether you want to display that description under the forum or not. I want to. Then for this forum, what I want is the completion conditions. I want to add a requirement. They need to start a discussion and post at least one reply. And then save and display so that we can see the forum. I can see that there's a forum here. If I click on the topic 1 at the top, I can see the forum and the description there, and it is there. If I want to change the name, all I need to do is click on the 3 dots on the right, edit settings, and I'm just going to write forum for video. Hit enter so that and then also add a description. This section is for this demonstration video. Demonstration video, I need to check my spelling. And then as usual, I'm just going to say save changes. And the name should have been, now it is there. Now this is very simple. Let's imagine that I want this topic to be at the end, not there, because I already have it organized. So there are different ways we can do it. We can either, on the left, you have the course index. Remember, if we close it there, on this tab, I can open it. And in the forum video, which is this one, I can move it towards the end where I basically want it. And that's after the certificate. And we can see if we refresh here that it is there. Okay, so let me just go back to the main page, course overview, and you can see here forum video. Now let's imagine that I want to move a specific resource or activity to that one. So let's imagine that I want our videos library to, I don't want it here, I want it here in the forum video. So what I'm going to do is very simple. On the forum library, the 3 dots, click on move, and you will get a list of places where you want to move it. If you scroll down, let's imagine I want it here, forum for video, and automatically it disappears. If I go and check, it now appears there, our videos library. Let's imagine that I don't want it first, I want it second underneath. So you just click on it, drag and drop. And we can basically move it by dragging and dropping until you see that little line. There you go. It's moved. Okay, so you can repeat the same process for all the different activities. Let's say that I just want to put this back. So again, move, and I wanted, it was in our resources. If I wanted to move anything else, I just repeat exactly the same process. If I want to add a topic, I just do exactly the same thing by clicking on the plus and following the same steps. And if I wanted to delete this one for video, which I'm going to do now because this is for demonstration purposes, the three dots, super important, remember, all the way to the bottom, delete. And you need to confirm. And I can see that my course is back in the right order, the order that I wanted it for now. Okay, I hope this was useful, and thank you.